All right, today let's begin the hands-on for creating budget and alerts. So first things first, we'll search cost management and billing. Let's go here. So here we need to click on the cost management, and here under the monitoring will be getting the budgets. So now uh, budgets, by definition, we know help us set spending limits and tracks usage in Azure. That's what we'll do. Let's click on add to add a budget. So it's like um, planning for like the monthly expenses we can see. So let's give a name, something like budget demo or something. Reset period will be monthly, right? Monthly we want this thing, the counters. I'll let you know what the counters are. So amount, please note it is in US dollars, USD. So if you are based out of any other countries like India, Sri Lanka, or any other countries, Netherlands, so you got to convert the amount based on that. Since my subscription is currently based on USD, I'll make sure like it shouldn't go beyond $200. Let's say I'm availing the free trial 30 days. It shouldn't go beyond that. I'll make sure the amount is $200. It shouldn't go up that. I'll click on next. Now here we go with the second part, that is the alerts, which is another important thing, because we want to make sure we get notified when the cost approach our budget. Remember previously we have set up $200. So now I'll select the type actual cost when it is, let's say, 80%, right? So I've selected previously $200, remember? So 80% of 200 is 160 mathematically. So that's what it's showing. So $160. So whenever it will be $160, I'll be getting one alert, and the alert will be in the form of email. So we got to provide one email where we want to receive the alerts. Let's provide one dummy email. So after providing the email, we'll click on create. So in real life, please provide your real email address, right? Because we want to get alerts there as well as an email. So it says budget was created. And there we go, looks good. If we open this budget demo, so we can see the budget. Remember, I've mentioned the currency as well, US dollars, right? So the free trial we know is around $200 it provides. So I've selected $200 USD. Now, if we look here, the configuration, what we have done, whenever our spending reaches 80% of the budget, we'll get an email notification to our email provided. Alerts are always tied to budgets, and without budget we cannot configure alerts, right? That was the mandatory part. So that what it goes. And please make sure to check your budgets regularly here by visiting this section, because as you do the hands-on, these the amount US dollars 0.00, it will increase whenever you will spin resources. When not in use, please delete it, otherwise it will accumulate in your budget or the cost. So that what it goes for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let's meet in our next lecture.